Hey there, future software architects. I'm Monica, and today we're blasting off into an exciting programming adventure, the Spaceship Battle Simulation assignment. Now, you might be wondering, why are we building a space battle simulator? Well, it's not just about the thrill of intergalactic warfare, though that's pretty cool. This assignment is your gateway to understanding how we use code to model and experiment with complex systems. In the real world, businesses use simulations all the time. From predicting market trends to optimizing supply chains, simulations help us understand and improve complex systems without real-world risks. Our spaceship battle simulator might seem like fun and games, but it's teaching you critical skills. System modeling. You're breaking down a complex scenario into manageable components. Object-oriented design. You'll use interfaces and classes to create a flexible, modular system. Data flow. You'll see how different parts of a system interact and exchange information. Scenario testing. By tweaking parameters, you can test different outcomes and strategies. As you code your Federation and Romulan ships, think about how these same principles could apply to simulating a bank's operations, a city's traffic flow, or a company's production line. Remember, every line of code you write is building your ability to tackle real-world challenges. So power up those phasers, charge those shields, and let's dive into the exciting world of system simulation. Are you ready to code the future? Let's make it so.